guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna be learning what I just played, and I played it in the key of B. Alright, so it's just a simple chord. Actually it's just one chord mainly throughout, and then the next chord comes in the latter part. So I'm using only two chords, but even without the second chord I can still use only that chord to play chord 1, chord 4, chord 3 rather, chord 4, chord 5, 6 and 7. So this chord can literally this chord can actually play almost every chord on the keyboard, and that's B major 7th. Okay, so you can play like this, but this time around we are removing the E flat, and I'm playing a BB, F sharp, and then my A sharp or B flat. Alright, so on the scale of B, this my notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll be playing 1, I'll be playing 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th for this same chord. So let me play it at a go and then see how it sounds, or hear how it sounds. That's chord 1 on my left. Then chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, and then back to 1. Alright, so in playing it, so if you've heard this song, I can only imagine. So is this same? Remember, this is the same as this. This actual chord can be, you can play, and then latter part I played on the 5th note. You can play a suspended chord, sus2, or you could play this way too. So I'm just doubling the F sharp, and then instead of the BB, I'm doubling the F sharp and still maintaining the right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.